initan sa pagitan ng Congress and the Palace?
Siguro with respect to questions to be asked to any member of the cabinet, there should be an advance submission of questions so that the member of the cabinet could be ready to respond to the same.
How do we ensure also, sir, transparency, especially dyan sa mga ganitong mga hearings or investigations? Because it might be impossible for the lawmakers to provide an advanced copy of all the questions that they will ask during the hearing, sir.
Well, definitely there is transparency there. And the submission of the question does not restrain them or stops them from asking follow-up questions in relation to the questions previously submitted to the member of the cabinet. But what happened in Secretary Diokno's case was the questions asked of him were not included in the submitted questions. In other words, it was entirely outside of the purview of the questions given him.
Sir, can the Palace impose their own protocols sa House? Especially, it is the hearing of the lawmakers and...
No, actually, it's more of an exchange of courtesy between two co-equal branches of the government. More on courtesy.
Kasama dun, sir, possible, if they don't like the line of questioning or their treatment, yung pwede pa rin sila mag-walk out.
Of course.
In the
I mean,
middle of
that's the policy of the president. He has been telling all members of the executive branch that do not allow yourself to be humiliated there. And if you are, then excuse yourselves and leave.